Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel, guys. How are things going for you today? I hope you are doing well. Today we'll be presenting a different beef curry with peanut paste. Let's get started. The ingredients are small ginger, 3 tomatoes, 3 to 5 green peppers, 1 tablespoon mustard seed, 1 tablespoon kalonji seeds, followed by oil and mustard seed in a small pot. Then kalonji seeds, chilies, garlic, ginger, tomato, then combine with tomato paste, 1 cube of magi until it reached sauce texture as shown in the video. Then put it aside. You will need the following ingredients for the next step of the recipe: 20 grams of peanuts, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 60 ml yogurt. 1/3 cup shredded coconuts, followed by 2 tablespoon coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon cumin seed. In a blender, add 20 gram peanuts, shredded coconut, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and water. I bought 2 kg of beef. I cut it into small pieces and clean it up. It's now ready to boil. For the beef, boil it in water with cinnamon sticks, curry leaves, salt, turmeric until soft. In a large pot, add oil, onions, cinnamon sticks, curry leaves. Mix it until golden. Add turmeric, tomatoes, yogurt, previous paste. Then mix it well. After that, I optionally add potatoes, chilies, then add boiled beef. Our recipe is now ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, like. Have a good day.